Tommy Trader, Russell 2000 small cap. We called the big rally from this consolidation. We went straight up to the top. And what a remarkable performance it was in December. The high was 2071. And we said we were overbought and we would come down. We hit my trend line. We rally up on Monday. And then Tuesday, we have a small rally. However, the sellers did move in and they took profits. We believe in 2024 that small cap can really lead a new bull market in small caps. And a lot of hedge fund managers that were short had buy to cover, and they ran that up to an all-time high. We have a daily sell signal. That's not a bull market buy signal. So that is a sell signal. Let's keep that clear. Not only that, we're going to see if we break that support level, then we could trade all the way back down here to 1860, which would be one very, very great pullback that will have a new buying opportunity, and we will. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Join the YouTube channel. You will get updates and alerts, and our new website will be launched tonight, and you'll have all the tools that you'll need to make the great trading decisions that you deserve to make. Let us power you. Let us make you the money. Let us guide you through 2024 in the small cap arena, in the Russell 2000 and the IWM ETF, small cap ETF. We will be updating regularly on this Russell 2000.